Yo, 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 what's up, you guys? It's Bakari So Real back again with another So Real trading video, man. If this is your first time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because today is day 47. And if this is your first time, you've already missed the last 46 days of us trading gold and trading crypto. So you might as well subscribe, lock in, so that way when I post day 48, day 49, day 50, and etc., you'll get those notifications to you. So that way you can tap in and watch those videos as well. So hey man, but anyways, I'm glad you're here. Let's get straight to it. We had a good trading day. As y'all could tell, my energy is up. I'm a little excited. Uh, and I had a good day at the gym today. Had a good little exercise at the gym. Just staying consistent. In the last video, I talked about how just doing 1% each day will still allow you to progress and still allow you to grow, and things like that. And if you do 1% each day for 30 days straight, that's 30%. If you do it for a year straight, that's 365%. You know what I mean? So it's important to just stay consistent. Yeah, so as you see, we got the chart pulled up for gold. Right now, gold is trading at the price of $4,068. A lot of people are probably wondering, like, where's gold finna go now since we pumped and since we bounced off of this support zone. Yes, from yesterday's price. Yesterday's price, we were trading below $4,000, and just like that, overnight, we bounced back above $4,000 and actually touched 4,100. Actually touched 4,100. Me personally, myself, I bought in at 39.68. I bought in at 39.68 and I caught over 100. I caught over 140 points, all the way up to $4,100. I closed out of my profits. So it was a good trading day. That's why I said I'm a little excited. Good trading day for me for yesterday. Today is also the first day of the month, which is another good reason to just be excited, right? Just, new week, new I mean not new week, but new month, you know what I mean? New month, another day, another dollar, things like that, this does look like a little change of character. It does look like a little reversal is starting to form, especially since it's been a number of days, multiple days that gold has not been able to drop below 3,900, below the support zone, or close, or even wick, let alone close below the support zone. You see that we've been wicking out inside the zone and bouncing back up above. So that's a sign of bullishness. That's a sign of bullishness. So if you guys are wondering what these markups are, the red line markup is a scenario if we were to consolidate here and start to reverse and start to go back up. We could see all-time highs. So with this reaction that we have today, and that started from yesterday, with this reaction, this daily candlestick, which is going to close, this daily candlestick is going to close at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then a new daily candlestick is going to open up at 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So this candlestick is looking really bullish, looking like it's going to close bullish, close above 4,000. And it's looking like a reversal, a bounce can happen. There's two ways this can go about. We can reach all-time highs. We can reach all-time highs. We can even reach a double, or we could reach most recent highs or all-time highs. So we can either have a double top around 5,000, or we can pass 5,000 and tap into 6,000 before fully reversing. Because you guys know, on my channel, I talk a lot about how gold is uh, most likely planning on dropping back down to the 2,500 range, where we have an entry here at 2,500 range, to create a bottom structure, a proper bottom structure, um, based off of this support zone down here at around $2,000. There's been three times where gold continued to rise instead of correcting and creating a stronger support, a stronger structure, a stronger bottom structure. There's been three times where gold should have done it, but it didn't. It continued to rise higher, which causes a bubble. When things continue to rise without dropping and creating some type of structure, it causes a bubble to where it just reverses and just falls down. So sooner or later that might happen. Nothing I say is guaranteed. This is not financial advice, just for educational purposes only. But I'm just keeping it so real with you. You know what I mean? I'm just keeping it so real with you, telling you my opinion, telling you my analysis, right? So we can either see a double top at around 5,000 and then reverse, or we can see all-time highs tapping into 6,000 and reverse. The time frame of that would be around, probably, it's July right now. So this month of July needs to be bullish. This month of July has to be bullish. This month of July cannot close below 3,900. If this month closes below 3,900, then then it's gonna be hard for us to continue rising. It's gonna be hard for us to see to tap back up to most recent highs, or let alone all-time highs. It's gonna be hard without us coming down and resetting at the 2,500 range. Um, or now, July can be bullish, but that doesn't mean we have to go and do a double top. We can also do a lower high, a lower high. So this yellow line will be our signal for the lower high. So if July is bullish, July can be the boost to get us up to 4,300, around 43, 4,400, and then sometime in August we can start to see a lower high form, another change of character form, another reversal form, another look, you know, dip, another correction coming. We can see all of that start to form around 44, around 4,500, and then we could drop down. We could start dropping down towards the end of August, towards September, start dropping down. So that's two scenarios. Either July, but the first is gonna well, first what's gonna determine this is if July continues to be bullish. This is already a good sign that July spiked up like this overnight on the first day of the month. You know what I mean? On the first day of the month, to spike up over 140 points is not bad at all. You know what I'm saying? So if we continue this momentum, uh, there's two ways. We can either see a lower high, three ways. We can see a lower high, we can see a double top, or we can see another all-time high. You know what I'm saying? So lower high, double top, all-time high. Now, if July is bearish and July continues to drop down, then we're looking at 3,300. We're looking at the next support zone of 3,300, and I can even mark that up right here. Mark that up right here. We'll be looking at the next support zone of 3,300. Get what I'm saying? All right. So that's where we're at for gold, man. Honestly, this is gonna be a quick video. I have to shower and get ready to go somewhere. I'm still in my gym clothes right now. Um, but yeah, man, it's gonna be a good month. It's definitely a month to lock in, man. Before I end this video, for those of you who are still watching, man, shout out to you guys. Shout out to the people who's been watching me all the way up to this day, to day 47. Really appreciate you guys. And let's just stay locked in, man. Let's stay locked in. Let's not let this month distract us. July is like one of the best months of the year. The sun is out. Everybody's outside. Everybody's spending money, everybody's partying, everybody's with their family. We got July 4th. This gonna be the barbecues, you know. Also, don't even I wouldn't even worry about talking about trading to your family. Those when you do have those days when you're with your family or you're just out enjoying yourself, take advantage of those days to get your mind off the market. Don't try to talk to nobody, especially somebody that's not trading, especially somebody that's not trading gold, not investing in crypto or anything like that, right? There's no reason you should be wasting your energy and even talking to them right now. No disrespect, but use that time to just enjoy the moment, versus talking about this type of stuff that we're working on. You know what I mean? Let's keep this stuff to ourselves. Let's keep this stuff together, around people that are actually in it, that are actually doing this on a daily basis, like me and you. You know what I mean? Post in the comments. Let me know how you guys are doing. And yeah, man, that's all I got to say, man. We're going to keep this going, man. I'll see you guys on day 48. Wishing you guys nothing but much love, much success, much abundance, much peace, much prosperity, much joy, all that, man. See you guys on the next one.